Hello, everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to search for creators on OnlyFans. Let's begin. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and navigate to OnlyFans.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is ready, sign in to access the platform. After logging in, you'll land on the home page of OnlyFans. Look towards the top of the page where you'll see a search bar. This search bar is your tool for finding creators. Simply type in the name or a keyword related to the creator you're looking for. For instance, if you're searching for someone named Alice, type Alice into the search bar. Once you've entered the name or keyword, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon next to the bar. The platform will display a list of results that match your search. These results may include creator profiles, posts, and other content associated with the keyword you provided. Take your time to scroll through the results to find the creator's account. If you spot the profile you're looking for, click on it. This action will direct you to the creator's page. On their page, you can explore their content if you are subscribed to their account. If you're not yet subscribed, you might see a preview or be prompted to subscribe to access their full content. Keep in mind that not all creators may appear in the search results due to platform settings or privacy choices. Additionally, many creators promote their profiles through public posts, social media, or other online platforms. If your search doesn't yield results, consider checking these other channels where creators might share their direct profile links. And that's it. Now you know how to search for creators on OnlyFans. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful.